Hello, my dear friends and my dear children. Let's practice proper reading. My English book 6, study tour number 2, lesson number 4, The Mouse Merchant. 2.4 The Mouse Merchant. Once, a rich merchant was scolding his lazy son. I gave you so much money to start a business, and yet you have not earned anything. You are good for nothing. Look at this dead mouse. A capable man can start a business even with something as useless as this. Somadatta, who was a poor orphan boy, heard his words. He went in and requested the merchant, "Please lend me this mouse as a capital and I will try my luck." The merchant burst out laughing, but still he gave the mouse to Somadatta and took the receipt that Somadatta wrote out to him. Somadatta was walking down the street with the dead mouse in his hand when another shopkeeper called him. "Come here, boy. I need the mouse to feed my cat. I will give you 2 handfuls of gram for it." Somadatta accepted the gram. At home, Somadatta roasted the gram well. Then he took a pitcher of water and stood at the crossroads with his gram and the water. He waited for a long time. In the evening, when the laborers were returning from the wood, they saw the boy with roast gram and water. Somadatta offered them the gram and water politely. "But we have no money. 2 sticks of wood is all we can give." "That's a good payment for this simple fare," exclaimed Somadatta. By accepting 2 sticks from each laborer, Somadatta collected a small bundle of sticks. He took the bundle to the market, sold it, and bought some more gram with it. Somadatta did this every day. He became well known among the laborers as the nice boy who offered tasty gram and refreshing water just for a couple of sticks. Many of them began to buy his gram every day on their way back from the woods. Somadatta got several bundles of sticks every day because now he had so many customers. Once, when Somadatta was selling the sticks in the market, he met a potter. He needed wood to burn in his furnace. In return for the sticks, he gave Somadatta pots for his gram and a few pitchers for the water. Somadatta did not waste any money. He worked hard to sell the wood in the morning and the gram in the evening. One day, he had enough money to buy all the wood from the laborers. He sold it at a good price in the market. After some time, he even set up his own shop in the market. He was always polite to his customers. Some of them paid him cash while others paid him in kind. They gave him whatever articles they could offer. Somadatta always found some way of selling the articles to those who needed them. After a few years, Somadatta became a wealthy merchant in the town. One day, he asked the goldsmith to make him a small golden mouse. He took the mouse to the rich merchant. "I had borrowed a dead mouse from you as capital many years ago. Today, I have come to return it. Please accept this golden mouse. The rich merchant was greatly surprised. He was so impressed with Somdatta's business skills that he gave him his own daughter in marriage. Thus, Somadatta, who was a poor orphan boy, earned money and respect due to his intelligence, hard work, and politeness. It is not known whether the rich man's son learned any of the skills from Somdatta. Thank you. So, my dear friends and my dear students, really, reading is an art, and good news is that it can be achieved by continuous efforts and practice. वाचन ही एक कला आहे आणि आनंदाची गोष्ट अशी की ती सततच्या सरावाने, प्रयत्नाने साध्य करता येते. He who can read properly, effectively, with proper speed will always be able to enjoy the best literature in the world. जो योग्य रीतीने आणि गतीने वाचन करू शकतो तो जगातील सर्वोत्तम साहित्याचा आनंद आस्वाद घेऊ शकतो. He will never be alone and depressed who have made friendship with books. ज्याने पुस्तकाशी मैत्री केली तो कधीच निराश आणि हताश राहणार नाही, एकटेपणाचा शिकार होणार नाही. माय डिअर चिल्ड्रन, राईट फ्रॉम द स्कूल लाईफ you should emphasize on proper reading, because if you are able to understand or comprehend the reading, then only you will be successful in school life. मुलांनो, तुम्ही तुमच्या विद्यार्थी दशेपासूनच समजपूर्वक वाचण्याचा प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे, आग्रह धरला पाहिजे. वाचनाची आवड स्वतःमध्ये निर्माण केली पाहिजे, कारण शैक्षणिक वाटचालीमध्ये उत्तम रीतीने म्हणजेच समजपूर्वक वाचन करता येणं आवश्यक आहे. सो हॅपी रीडिंग, एन्जॉय रीडिंग अँड कीप रीडिंग. विच लेसन यू ट्राईड टू रीड प्रॉपरली विथ अंडरस्टँडिंग, डू राईट इट्स नेम इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. तुम्ही कोणता धडा किंवा पाठ समजपूर्वक आणि योग्य रीतीने गतीने वाचण्याचा प्रयत्न केला त्याचे नाव कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये जरूर लिहा. विथ द प्रॉमिस दॅट विल मीट अगेन विथ अ न्यू लेसन रीडिंग प्रॅक्टिस. It's time to sum up for today's session. But till then, enjoy online education, though these are unwanted holidays, but enjoy the long vacations. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Go for it. Thank you. Bye bye.